and bring it over towards the left. And this is why when people talk about rolling myofascial release through manipulation, it's so darn painful because the fascia is permeating everything. We can't get into the deep layers through the hands very easily, or maybe at all. Good. So you can think of that, right? It's literally in everything in our bodies because it's the environment that formed everything. It didn't come last. It's the environment that formed everything. Whoa, good. Last one. Feet together. Give it a little shimmy shake. Good.